All right, guys, welcome to another live stream. Welcome to another live stream. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Okay, so we don't really have much to look forward to in the next coming weeks. Obviously, it's a holiday week, so not much is going to happen. I believe the markets are closed the day of Christmas, obviously, and just this week is going to be slow. It's the holiday week. Most people are on vacation, and yeah, the markets will be closed. I think it's one day out of this week, and then obviously we have New Year's, so that's going to be a closed day for the market as well. If we take a look at crypto has actually been stabilizing for the last couple weeks. I mean, Bitcoin right now is at 88,285, so kind of rebounded a little bit. Still didn't regain that $90,000 mark, and I think we'll regain that in the beginning of the new year, maybe mid to end of January. I believe towards the end of December and beginning of January, we will be selling off because people are trying to, what is it called? Harvest tax loss harvesting and things like that. People are essentially selling off at the end of the year so that way they could get, write stuff off. So I don't see much happening. If anything, we'll probably be selling off. Equities did end up green last week. Let's see. So the NASDAQ ended up green. It was at 23,300. New York Stock Exchange was at 21,923. The Dow Jones ended up up as well. So most of the indices ended up green last week. Maybe equities pump, but I don't really see the pump in crypto right now. And I don't really see much happening. I think if we were going to get that Christmas rally like everybody was predicting, it would have happened last week. Okay, now we still do have a week left, but it's usually a quiet week towards the end of the month. Crypto obviously is open 24/7, so who knows? Anything can happen in the crypto market. Let me check my mic to make sure my mic is working. Give me just a second. I always forget to check my mic. Now we still do have a week left, but it's usually a quiet week towards the end of the month. Crypto obviously is open 24/7, so who knows? Anything can happen in the crypto market. Let me check my mic to make sure my mic is working. Give me just a second. I always forget to check my mic. Okay, cool. I don't know why it's blocking me off. It doesn't even let me click the like button on my own video. Okay. So yeah, I think it's nothing much. So what we have to look forward to in January, essentially the 9th of January, we're going to be getting, I believe we're going to be getting CPI data the beginning week of January. So, or I don't know if it's CPI or jobs numbers. We're going to get one of those reports January 9th. So that's the most, that's the nearest catalyst that we have to wait for. And then the next catalyst would be the FOMC meeting, which is going to take place the 28th and the 29th. This is going to be deciding whether we're going to get a rate cut in January or not. If you take a look at the Fed Watch tool, we're set to it's like 22% right now. So it doesn't look likely that we're going to get a rate cut here in January, but who knows? We may get some economic data that increases our percentage of a rate cut. It's going to start with that CPI data. It's going to start with the jobs numbers report. So you just got to wait and see. I think the next couple weeks, again, are going to be quiet, so not much. But I think if anything happens, it would be in the crypto market just because it's open 24/7. And yeah, people are able to trade even during the holidays. So we'll see. We'll see. But nothing has changed pretty much. Crypto market is stabilizing. It's it's range bound from that 82 to 88,000 for Bitcoin, and then all coins are like selling off here and there. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And then we had a slight bounce in equities last week. Okay. All right. So let's play a few games of Blitz, and I think we'll be good for the day. I'm getting my score back up. So I'm at 1357. Trying to break that 1400 mark for Blitz, and I'm trying to get to 1500 for Rapid by the end of the year. I already broke 1500. I'm just trying to stay above it, essentially. Ah, he got that. Oh, and then I freaking misclicked. Darn it. All good. Freaking misclick. That's crazy. I think he may have given me back that. I think he may have been nice with that. I think. Yeah, he's up a piece, so it's going to be tough to hold this one. Darn it. All right, let's do a rematch. He knows it was a misclick. But yeah, it's going to be interesting to see where the market goes going into 2026. Again, we are in an interest rate cutting environment. We should be. I mean, right now it doesn't look. The odds are not high for many rate cuts, but I think we'll get at least one or two more for 2026. So that should help out the market a little bit. And then the liquidity injection, right? So the Federal Reserve is purchasing bonds. I think they said like 30 billion a month right now, but hopefully they increase that, and that's going to pump more liquidity into the market. So should be interesting to see what effect that has on the market. Let's get rid of that. I think feel like he's gonna take this pawn, if I'm not mistaken. Oof. And I think I'm gonna get this. I think I'm gonna get a free rook here. He's gonna take this queen. Yep. But I think I get a free rook for sure. Actually, I think I get a free. Oops. Oh. Oh, darn it. Let's not blunder this. I don't think so. Let's do this. Yeah, no, buddy. All right, I think we're good here. I don't think he can hold it.
Ah, he got me. He got me on that one. All right. I was just playing around there. Hmm. Yeah, buddy. You gotta get him. All right. Got him on the time. So I just need a. Yeah. Let's do that. Ooh, I think he made a mistake. Yeah. He made a mistake for sure. Oof. Got him. Making mistakes. But I don't know. I feel like he's not going to give up. Feel like he's not going to give up or he's going to try to do something. All right, let's do one more and then I'm done. Nope. He doesn't want a rematch. All right, let's do one more. Let's try to get this back. And I feel like this one's going to be pretty much easy because we just opened his whole thing. We just opened his whole center up. Okay. All right. Almost got caught. I almost got caught there. think if I take, should be okay there. Should be okay, I think. Gotta slow it down. I gotta move this out. Somehow I gotta move this out. Yeah, he's going there. I knew he was gonna go there. Darn it. Oh, and that's checkmate. Yeah, checkmate. I just wasn't paying attention. I had him. All right, I had him. That should have been an easy one for me. Easy game to win. I just screwed it up. I was thinking too much. Yeah, sometimes you got to use the clock even for blitz. Like you want to just rush to it, but if you're in a good position, it's just better to slow it down and think the position through. That one I was thinking too much. All right, so this is there. Let's do this. Let's do that. Darn it. Again, another one. Another one. See, it's another one where we're just thinking too quick. Hopefully I can save this one. We'll see. Let's take, and let's see what we can do with these connected rooks here. Oh, you know what? This might work, I think. Darn it. Darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it, darn it. That was not good. I hate this. That I'm losing. And that's checkmate. All right, let's resign. All right, I'll do one more game. One more game. One more game. All right, let's focus here. That's fine. think down the stretch it'll serve me well. There we go. Free pawn. I think this will be good. This should be fine if I do this. There. No, I should be protected. Let's take care of the center. I'm in a really good spot here. You know what? I think I'll give up the pawn. Let's do that. And then we can push. Matter of fact, what I think I'll do is I'll do this. Yeah, no, I think I'm in a good spot here. There we go. You know what? I think I should be able to promote. Let me think about this. I think I'm in a good spot, actually. Yeah, I think he blocked himself out. Or at least one. Let's see. Let's do this. This here, and I think I should be okay. Oh, that was my fault right there. I can't believe I gave that up. Oh, man, that was terrible. I feel like I had that one too. All right, last one for sure. Let's see if he wants to run it back. I don't know why I did that. Man. All right, this was the last one for sure. Let's see. think we could be in good shape here. That might be checkmate, honestly. Yeah, he's gonna have to block. He's gonna have to do something. Here. Um, all right, let's move this. Hmm. Um. For some reason, I'm not seeing this. All right, let's get rid of this. And is that? I don't think that's gonna be the same. Hmm. Darn it. Ah. I think he got me. Unfortunately. Yeah. Oh my goodness. I keep saying it's my last one. All right, this is my last one. I have to. I feel like I can get him. It's just I don't feel like we're off in skill level at all. I think I'd slow down for some reason in that last 20 seconds. All right, let's push this. Yeah. getting caught up right now. That was a good move. Let's do that. He's blocking that off pretty well. Let's do that. My goodness. And then I do that nonsense, which is crazy. It's ridiculous the way I did that. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I blew that. That's crazy. Like, it's so silly. It may be funny, but I may be able to save this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And again. All right, this is my last one for sure. I just can't lose a piece. And I lost the thing. I think this is fine. Get that pawn. I think it's fine. You know what? I'm just going to take. I'm going to move that here. Because I want to move that horse over. Let's see. All right. Let's move this over. I think I should be okay. Should be okay with that. That was a good move. Hopefully he doesn't see this. He doesn't, I don't think. And I think I won the game. Finally. Oh, man. Finally won something. Finally. All right. This is my last one. Had to get out on a W. I knew I could get him. I could have beat him like way before, but I don't know what was going on. I wasn't seeing stuff. Checkmate. And it's over. All right, that was pretty much it. I lost 4 times to this guy. Got my win back, so I'm satisfied. I could have beat him many way earlier, but I just wasn't seeing it. All right, guys. Yeah. So basically, what we have forward to what we should be looking forward to is the beginning of the year. Again, CPI data is coming out 9th of January, and then we have the 28th through the 29th of January. We're going to have that FOMC meeting. Right now, we're sitting at 22% for a rate cut for January. So hopefully, with the economic data that comes out, this goes up a lot higher. And yeah, but that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.